Thank you very much, Apangji, for your valuable and a reasonable message. Now this August House welcomes Sri Rahul Gandhi, our beloved National President of Congress Party, to address this August gathering.
Can I take that? Naidu ji, opposition leaders, and all my friends, brothers and sisters from Andhra Pradesh, I'd like to welcome all of you here. I want to ask you one question. If the Prime Minister of India makes a commitment to somebody in this country, should he maintain that commitment, yes or no? What sort of a Prime Minister is this? That the Indian government, the Prime Minister's post, has made a commitment to the people of Andhra Pradesh, and this Prime Minister does not fulfill the commitment that is made to the people of Andhra Pradesh. Is Andhra Pradesh not part of this country? So how dare he not fulfill this commitment? I have made it very clear. I made it very clear. Whatever commitment the Prime Minister of India makes, the Prime Minister of India will fulfill. So that is why you are here. I stand with you. I stand with the people of Andhra. Mr. Narendra Modi, wherever he goes to Andhra Pradesh, he lies about special status. He goes to the northeast, he tells another lie over there. He goes to Maharashtra, he tells another lie over there. He has absolutely got no credibility left. And remember one thing, it is only a couple of months, 1 or 2 months, the opposition party is going to show Mr. Narendra Modi exactly what the sentiment in this country is. Final thing I want to say, the Prime Minister became Prime Minister by saying he is going to fight corruption. Have you read the Hindu newspaper today? Did you read the Hindu newspaper yesterday? Rafael, Chaukidar, exactly, Chaukidar chor hai. The Prime Minister has stolen from the people of Andhra Pradesh, and he has given that money to Anil Ambani. That is the fact of the matter. I want to let you know that we are all standing together. We are going to defeat the BJP, Mr. Narendra Modi. Thank you very much for inviting me here. It is an honor for me to speak to you. Namaskar.